everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Peacock TV account. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. Start off by launching open a web browser of your choice and then go to the URL box. Simply type in peacocktv.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official website of Peacock. Now, click the sign in link at the top right hand corner to end up in the login page. If you have not created an account for yourself for Peacock TV, go and click the Get Started button at the top right hand corner in yellow and follow through the registration process. To sign into your existing account, type in your email associated with Peacock TV account. After typing in your email, click the Continue button. On the next page, it'll ask you to enter your password. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on this I don't know my password link and follow through the password reset process. But if you remember your password, there should be no problem. Simply type it in the text box. If you want to stay signed into the service, check this little box where it says keep me signed in, but make sure to leave it unchecked if you're using a public or a shared device. Finally, click the sign in button and you should be able to log into your Peacock TV account. So that is how you can easily log in to Peacock TV. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.